Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, then go to the Fix and Manage section, import from SIM, then you have to select contacts which you want to copy. Okay, there's something went wrong. Let me try it once again. Import from SIM. So here you can select contacts which you want to copy and then tap import. And after that, these contacts will appear on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.